I'm gonna do a quick video and show you how to reset the maintenance required here on your Toyota Tundra. This is a 2007, and I think this is the same for a 2005 up to a 2015. But first, what you want to do is turn your vehicle on. So you just turn it to the on position. You don't have to start it up. And you see this maintenance required light right here. I'm gonna show you how to reset that. First, what you want to do is reach across and put this on trip A. So you hit the button until you get to trip A. You see trip A right there, then you have trip B, but you want to put it on trip A. And once you put it on trip A, you want to turn this off. Once you turn it off, next what you want to do is reach across and you push it in and you turn your vehicle to the on position. And you can see the countdown right there. There you go, you're done. Now your maintenance light is now gone. So that's how you reset your maintenance here on your Toyota Tundra 2005 up to a 2015. All right, thanks for watching and subscribe to my channel and have a great day.